again, I'm your host, Akim Agbaje. What we want to talk about today in the issue of the Lagos State Free Trade Zone is on the issue of how individuals and corporate bodies can actually take advantage of this free trade zone and be part of the moving train. Like what we have said times without number, very soon there's going to be scrambles for places at the free trade zone. But at the moment, the field is still open for individuals and corporate bodies to participate. Now today we want to look at how individuals can actually participate in the free trade zone. Presently, we have numbers of real estate that are actually developing in the free trade zone. We have estate like the Crown Estate, we have Amen Estate, we have the Victoria Garden City, and several among others. And we have a lot of real estate, lot of residential estates at the moment that are just coming up. Most of these estate developers are actually waiting for a time that activities which actually come up at the free trade zone. Now let us go back to the issue on ground. We want to look at how individuals can actually participate in the free trade zone. At the moment, we have a lot of Nigerians in all parts of the world. We have them in the United States, we have them in UK, we have them part of Europe, and we have them everywhere. A lot of these Nigerians are looking forward to participate in Nigeria's development. But the problem is that a lot of them do not actually know how to come into the Nigerian economy. Now, we want to look at a very important aspect of the Nigerian economy, especially in terms of the real estate at the Lekki Free Trade Zone. Now, at the Lekki Free Trade Zone, we have a large expanse of undeveloped land at the moment. Lagos State government have taken the portion that it needs at the moment, and we have some portions that are actually left to the indigenes of the area. These lands are going on. Sales of this land are presently going on. So we want to look at how individuals can actually participate. Now, 2 or 3 individuals can actually mop up their resources together. That is what we call the individual alliance real estate. Whereby this individual 5, 10 individuals, they can bring themselves together, mop up their resources together. Then they can develop an estate. They can develop an estate of about 100 houses. They can develop this estate for their own personal habitation. Let's assume we have these Nigerians abroad that want to come home. They have a place to stay. And if you don't want to do that at the moment, you can actually buy this land, build these houses, and rent them out at reasonable prices. A lot of people are actually crying for where to stay. A room and parlor self-contained, single rooms, duplex, flats. They are actually marketable at the moment. So individuals can actually mop up their resources, 5, 10, 20 of them, mop up their resources. They can buy 100 acres. They can buy 100 plots. Put up something there, and before you know it, a lot of things will be coming up. That is how a lot of real estates are actually developed at the Lekki Free Trade Zone. And now we want to look at the corporate alliance. In terms of corporate alliance, companies can actually merge together. 2 or 3 companies can actually merge together, buy a large expanse of land, develop it into residential estate. At the moment in Lagos State, we have the problem of housing. So these corporate individuals can actually come in and solve this problem, where at the same time they are actually making profit. This is an area that a lot of individuals have not explored. We are looking forward to a time when Nigerians in diaspora, be it anywhere you are in the world, they can actually come home, do something, buy large expanse of land, do the titles. A lot of these lands are actually free from government acquisitions. They get CFO for it, and before you know it, they start building on these houses. A lot of people are actually looking forward to this in Lagos State, because Lagos State, as time goes on, is going to be the center of economy in West Africa. Already at the moment, the center of economy is West Africa, and very soon it's going to be the center of economy in Africa, as soon as the Lagos State Lekki Free Trade Zone will have it fully taken off. And these are the issues that we are discussing at the moment. So I am actually advising that individuals and a corporate body can merge together. We have a lot of people that can help them. They can help you get good lands. They can help you. Once you come up with your team of legal practitioners, they will verify the title of the documents. As soon as they verify the title of the document, your team of legal practitioners will start working along with real estate consultants, builders, architects, and before you know it, something has been put in place. And these are the issues that are on ground at the moment. And that is why we are saying, as soon as the third mainland bridge has taken off, as soon as the Lekki International Airport have taken off, as soon as the Lekki deep seaport have taken off, as soon as the Lekki free trade zone activities are actually have been actually up and is actually fully operational, there is going to be scramble, and there's going to be a lot of scramble for what we are discussing at the moment. And by that time, it may actually be too late. I remain your host, Akim Agbaje.